let's continue here. So it says, do you want to scan more media? No. User mirror network? Yes, this time. UK. Which one? We will go with Debian, and then it will ask us to give proxy information. We don't have the proxy information at the time, maybe we can give it later. So let's configure, and so it will install. So the choice can be later modified. No, I don't want to be in the survey. So here, yeah, we are going to use Debian desktop environment. So we select all the four, continue.